Google Documents is one of a suite of tools created by Google that allows you to create spreadsheets, presentations, and other documents similar to the Microsoft Office suite. There are a variety of tools, and one of the perks of Google Docs is that these documents can be shared with multiple people without creating duplicate copies. It's a great way of pulling together information and collaborating over distance and time to create a project for group work, similar to what we did for this wiki. To create documents, it's actually very simple. All you do is create a Google account, which we did for the beginning of our course here, and go to the Documents link up at the top. You can kind of see it there. When you're inside Google Documents, create a new item, and we have the option of a document, a presentation, spreadsheet, forms, which are discussed in another section of the wiki. What I'm going to do is create a new document, and you can see most of it here, but it works very similarly to Microsoft Word. This is my document, and you have all of the same functionality. You can highlight, bold, you can change your font type, your font size, and your font type. You can change the colors, and it's a little bit watered down, but for the most part it works pretty nicely, and center it, although you're not seeing a centered document. And when I'm done, all I have to do is save. Now, one of the other perks, if I drag my screen over a little bit, is the ability to share this document with other individuals. I want to share it with others. Now, at this point, we're sort of running out of space on the screen here. And I can add people as either collaborators or viewers. So I can either share it as a view-only document or as something where other classmates or other group members can go in and add to it. Now, one of the nice things is because it's part of the Google Suite, I can choose from my Google contacts. And let's see, Darren. Now, Darren's one of my group members here. And I'm going to share with Darren. And I'm going to share with Kendra, who's also a group member, and let's share it with Jean. So I've now added this to 3 other people, giving them all the ability to collaborate. I'm actually going to just give them view only. And I do not want my collaborators to invite others, and I do not want my invitations to be used by anyone. Now when I'm done, all I can do is invite. It gives me a little document, and I'm not actually going to do this because this is a example. Now, when I want to go back and look at my documents, it's not really too difficult. I'll show you some examples of some of the other work that we've done this semester. Google Spreadsheet is similar to Microsoft Excel with similar functionality, creating equations, formatting, all those other great pieces. And let's go back to my Docs home, and let me show you quickly a presentation that I've done, if I have one. I know they're around here somewhere. Let's see, presentations. Have I created any presentations? Ah. It's very similar to Microsoft PowerPoint once this loads up. And I'm not sure what's going on here. Come on. Here we go. And you'll notice it's got a very colorful array of slide types, and it works almost identically. You have your slides down the side that can be edited in real time. And it can also be previewed and used online. Now, one of the nice things about Google Docs is that it does give you some nice save options. So, let's see. How do we do this? Download presentation as. I can download it as a PDF document, as a PowerPoint document, or as a simple text document, which is really useful for getting things offline and into formats that can be saved to your flash drive or emailed to others if you wanted to have a hard copy to use. So as you can see, Google Docs is a pretty powerful tool and pretty easy to use. A great way for sharing information across distances with multiple people without creating multiple copies of a particular document. For more information, see some of the links below, and I hope that you have enjoyed this.